Do you stand by the claim that you've made in a column you wrote in May 2008, where you suggested that there was a financial coup d'etat with the blessing of the government by bankers and developers? And I quote, you say that the boom in Ireland was little more than a scam. Ireland was a victim of a financial coup d'etat where a cabal of banks and developers, with the blessing of government, cheer-led by various vested interests who were getting a grubby cut, took over the economy. Do you stand by that statement? And if you do, how can you back that statement up that this was with the support of the Irish government at the time?
You said 2008.
Article in 25th of May 2008.
I'm going to play you this again. This is 2003.
The Irish housing market is a scam. It is an enormous financial swindle that could potentially confine an entire generation of young Irish workers to years of bad debt. Far from being a reflection of economic vitality and fundamental demand, the housing bubble is, in the main, a vacuous financial confidence trick that has been foisted upon us by an alliance of banks and landowners. Today in Ireland, the price of the average house is close to 10 times the average wage. This represents an economic failure on a monumental scale. Behind this nonsense is excessive and irresponsible lending from our financial institutions.
Specific question, David. But the specific question was, if this financial coup d'etat happened by the bankers and developers and those that cheer-led, how can you say definitively that the Irish government supported this coup d'etat? What is the evidence to back up that statement if you stand over it?
Because there was absolutely no evidence of any pushback from a way of managing our economy which was happy at the top of the boom for 88% of every loans, or 88 euros in every 100 euros given out to go to property. You cannot run a country like that. You cannot run a modern economy like that, and ultimately you cannot run a democracy like that.
Thank you very much. Just to wrap up.